Routine inspections on vessels are crucial for continued compliance to maritime standards and regulations, managing risk, and performing regular checks of equipment and onboard vessel management systems, devices, and installations. Making unscheduled port calls and unplanned downtime can be costly to vessel operators. The ability to undertake inspections, anytime, anywhere, is critical to planned maintenance and continuity of operations, ensuring operators can meet contractual obligations without penalty or delay. Vessels at sea must plan port calls to facilitate regular inspections. Typically, vessels will require a subject matter expert to physically travel to the vessel or have access to high-definition real-time video to allow critical detail to be seen and checked. Traditional live video transmission requires a significant amount of bandwidth and can be costly to users. Achieving this on a low-bandwidth satellite connection has, until now, been almost impossible. Now, introducing NodeStream, Harvest Technology's proprietary network transfer protocol. NodeStream enables secure, high-definition video and audio to be live-streamed from anywhere in the world, utilizing ultra-low bandwidth, over poor quality, or congested satellite or terrestrial networks. NodeStream's compression algorithm works on a vessel's existing network to reduce the amount of bandwidth required for audio and video transfer, enabling ultra-low transfer rates. NodeStream is the driver and enabler of all Harvest Technology products. When integrated with Harvest Technology's Werewolf software application, NodeStream enables voice-controlled, point-to-point video and voice communications for live analysis, simultaneous review, and collaboration through wearable headsets, smart glasses, or Android devices. The Werewolf application is both quick and easy to install. Virtually taking remote inspectors on board, crew can traverse the length and breadth of the ship, showing land-based experts various areas and devices on board the vessel. The Werewolf Stream enables collaboration with onshore engineers, assisting crew with breakdown repairs, technical support and commissioning of equipment, anywhere at any time, potentially saving thousands of dollars in operational, logistical, and personnel costs. NodeStream can be redistributed to virtually any connected smart device, to any team, anywhere in the world. With NodeStream's low bandwidth optimization, medical specialists can now have real-time situational visualization to remotely assist during vital onboard emergency situations and time-critical events, potentially providing life-saving injury management, instruction and advice. Now, instead of lengthy and costly disruptions at sea, or unscheduled time spent sailing to port, in a matter of hours, operators can ensure continuity of operations, with minimal downtime, reducing support costs, ensuring continued compliance, and importantly, the safety of all onboard personnel. Additionally, the vessel can remotely address their contractual obligations, or close out any outstanding client or regulatory observations, all the while, safely sailing to their next project.